Here's a quick video about a guy installing a Bitcoin wallet. He also buys Bitcoin at the end, but that takes about 20 seconds of this 2-minute video. Purchasing cryptocurrency at a Bitcoin ATM is quick, easy, private, and secure. You are viewing the hardest part right now. So the customer has begun a transaction, then suddenly realizes he requires a wallet. Digital wallets enable you to access your Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network. In your phone, they store an address and a very complex password called a private key. Using this address and key, you can access your funds using any Bitcoin-compatible software. The wallet's account number is usually represented by a QR code. Identical in core function, wallets merely serve to securely store your unique Bitcoin address and key. Install and get acquainted with your wallet before actually using the ATM. Notice this guy will spend 2/3 of the video just installing a wallet on his phone. Don't be this guy. Install your wallet and walk up like a boss. If you don't know which wallet to install and can't figure it out, the ATM operator will provide some suggestions at the location. So we're waiting on the wallet to install. And okay, we're finally ready to do this. Select Bitcoin. Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Select a dollar amount. Now you need to show that wallet's QR code. Hold your phone up to the window, centering the code for the scanner. The ATM scans your code. The bill acceptor lights up. Insert your paper money. Press submit after you've fed it enough. And you're done. Easy peasy.